Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Teena English Podcast. I'm Teena.
And I'm Jimin. We're so happy you're here today.
Have you ever traveled by airplane and felt nervous because everyone was speaking English? Maybe you didn't know what to say at the check-in counter or how to ask for your gate. If that's you, don't worry. Today's lesson will help you speak English confidently at the airport.
We'll practice real conversations, easy vocabulary, and useful sentences that you can use on your next trip. So, let's begin.
Part 1. At the check-in counter. Smiling. Jimin, is this your first international flight?
A little nervous. Yes, it is. I'm excited, but I'm also worried. What if the airport staff speaks only English?
Encouraging. Don't worry. Airport English is actually very simple. Let's practice together. Imagine you're standing at the check-in counter.
Conversation. Airport staff. Good morning. May I have your passport, please?
Good morning. Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Certainly.
Perfect. Your baggage is within the weight limit. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding begins at 10:15.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Vocabulary. Passport. Boarding pass. Gate. Check-in counter. Suitcase. Boarding. Flight. Weight limit.
Speaking practice. Repeat after us. May I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
I'm flying to New York.
I have one suitcase.
Where is my gate?
Thank you very much.
Excellent.
Great job. Now you've checked in successfully. What's the next step?
Security check. I always feel nervous there. I'm afraid I won't understand what the officer says.
Don't worry. The instructions are usually very simple. Let's practice together.
Security check. Security officer. Good morning. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Certainly. Here you go.
Please take your laptop out of your bag.
Of course.
Do you have any liquids?
Yes, I have a small bottle of water.
Please throw it away before entering.
No problem.
Now walk through the scanner, please.
Sure.
Perfect. You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Vocabulary. Security check. Airport safety inspection. Conveyor belt. Moving belt for bags. Scanner. Machine that checks people and luggage. Liquids. Drinks or other liquid items. Throw away. Put something in the trash. All set. Everything is ready.
Speaking practice. Repeat after us. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt. Take your laptop out. Do you have any liquids? Walk through the scanner. You're all set. Have a nice flight. Excellent.
Finding the gate. After security, you need to find your boarding gate. If you're not sure where to go, don't be afraid to ask. Let's practice.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
Where is gate B12?
Go straight, then turn left. You'll see gate B12 next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Useful expressions. Excuse me, could you help me? Where is gate B12? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Quick practice. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
Where is gate A15?
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate A15 is?
Excellent. What do you say after someone helps you?
Thank you so much.
Perfect. You're becoming more confident already.
Amazing work. In part 3, we'll learn how to board the airplane, talk to the flight attendant, ask for help during the flight, and arrive at your destination with confidence. Stay with us. Welcome back. You've checked in, passed the security check, and found your boarding gate. Now it's time to board the airplane. Let's continue our journey.
Boarding the plane. Airport staff. Attention passengers, Flight BA215 to New York is now boarding. Passengers in Group A may board first.
Teena, that's our flight.
Yes, let's get ready. Keep your boarding pass and passport in your hand. It will make the boarding process much easier.
Conversation. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Vocabulary. Boarding. Passenger. Passport. Boarding pass. Flight. Seat. Aisle. Window seat.
Finding your seat. Looking around. Excuse me, I can't find my seat.
No problem. What's your seat number?
It's 18A.
This way, please. Your seat is by the window.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
During the flight. A few minutes later.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like some orange juice.
Certainly. Anything to eat?
Yes, I'll have the chicken meal, please.
Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Sometimes you need help during the flight. Here are some useful sentences. Repeat after us. Excuse me, could I have some water, please? May I have a blanket? Can I have another pillow? Where is the restroom? Thank you very much. Excellent.
Excellent. Conversation. Teena, I can't believe it. At first, I was afraid of speaking English at the airport, but now I know what to say at the check-in counter, during security, while boarding, and even on the airplane.
That's wonderful. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need the confidence to communicate. Every traveler feels nervous the first time, but every conversation helps you become a better English speaker. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're traveling to another country. Answer these questions in English. Where are you flying today? How many bags do you have? Which seat would you like? What would you like to drink on the plane? Practice your answers out loud. Don't translate. Just think and speak in English.
Congratulations! You finished another episode of Miss Teena English Podcast. Today, you learned how to check in at the airport, pass through security, find your boarding gate, board the airplane, talk to the flight attendant, ask for help during the flight. Now it's your turn. Practice today's conversations 3 times. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will become.
Cheerfully, if you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Miss Teena English Podcast, and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next episode of Season 1, Speak English Naturally.
Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, English becomes easy when you use it every day.
Bye, everyone!